And voila, there you got some bacon ranch pasta, bacon chicken ranch pasta, whatever you want to call it. Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Jraiw back with another video. It has been a good minute. Missed you guys, but yeah, was taking care of some other pressing issues. Not to say that you guys are not important, but got to take care of some other issues. Anyhow, I was just gonna jump back on here because I'm getting ready to cook something and just wanted to share with you. So tonight I'm making, what's it called? Oh my gosh, brain fart. Bacon chicken ranch pasta. Is that what it's called? I think so. Bacon chicken ranch pasta. Excuse me, I just got done eating an apple. It's like all up in my gum. Anyhow, this is what you need to make it. So I got pasta. I'm only gonna use, this is what, 16 ounce penne noodles. And I'm only gonna use probably about half of this. And I get this brand at Sprouts, by the way. 99-cent, best deal ever. Some ranch dressing, classic ranch, whatever brand ranch you have. Some bacon and some chicken. I got this, I've been getting this at Kroger lately, and it's already diced. So yeah, I like the Purdue, no antibiotics. They used to have the chicken breast cutlets, but now they started having the diced chicken breast. So I'm gonna clean that, and yeah, once I clean that, I'll let you guys know exactly what I'm doing. So right now I have some water getting ready to boil for my noodles, so I can get those all ready, and the skillet is ready for the bacon to be cooked. This is essentially like a one-pot meal, aside from using this the pot for the noodles. So yeah, but I should like prop you guys up somewhere. I think that might be what I do. That was totally bad grammar. But anyhow, I'm about to go find something to prop you guys up. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the tripod that I have just doesn't want to outright, so just bear with me. So I already have my noodles boiling right now, and I'm about to cut up this bacon and rinse this chicken off. So I'm just going to use I don't know, just 3 pieces of bacon. Those of you guys who are vegetarians, I'm not going to apologize. It is what it is. I do eat meat, so if you are watching this, I'm not trying to offend you in any way. I eat meat, plain and simple. So I use my kitchen shears. I'm fumbling all over my words right now. And what I do is I cut my bacon in half, lengthwise. Then I cut those halves in half. Right now I'm really just waiting for, ooh, that's kind of cloudy, isn't it? Now saying this chicken right here, it comes in like, I guess it's supposed to be 2 servings, but I'm about to open it up, and because I'm going to use all of this right here. And I'm not sure what other grocery stores they have it at, but they sell this at Kroger. Maybe they have it at Kroger in your area. Just make sure whenever you're preparing chicken that you are cleaning your chicken. Even if it says that it's already cut and clean, clean your chicken, please. Yeah, I mean, it's It's so simple. Just clean your chicken. So, really, there's not much to it. Just waiting for my bacon to brown. And I spread it out and skillet a little bit so that it can start cooking. And yes, I do cook with wooden spoons most of the time. Have my noodles boiling. Those are almost done. And let's see, what else? Got my ranch out already. I think I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning on this chicken before I put it in the skillet. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So here's the chicken right here. It's already been washed and cleaned. There's a little bit of water still in here. Let me drain it out. Okay, being that this chicken comes in its own little tray, I try and use as less seasonings, not seasonings, as less dishes as I can when I'm preparing anything that comes in this own little tray. And I don't know, it's almost like I'm using everything but the kitchen sink in here. But yeah, so yeah, let me season this chicken and wait for the noodles to boil and wait for the bacon to get done. But before I do that, how are you guys? How's it been? Shout out to Queen and Keisha Anderson on your pregnancy announcements. Is Queen really pregnant, or is it just a rumor? I don't know yet, but if she is, congratulations, girl. Do your thing. It's really not much I want to talk about. Not much has changed. Not much is going on. You know, I am I'm surprised at how hot it has been this summer. But it's amazing how as soon as school lets back in, all of a sudden the weather changes. It has literally been storming like for almost a week straight, like crazy thunderstorms. If anybody knows anything about me, I do not do thunderstorms. I don't like them. I don't care for them. I turn everything off and I will go to bed, or I'll just shut it down. I just have to. I just can't deal. But anyhow, let me season this chicken and quit talking. Let me grab a fork. I am so like last minute. I thought about eating this like at the last minute. Just gonna mix that up a little bit. I know you guys are probably hating my camera skills right now, and I apologize. I really do. But you get what you get right now. It's all gonna be mixed up in the skillet anyway. But yeah. Yeah. Get over here. That's enough. That's good enough. Give yourself a steam facial. Anyhow, I've removed my bacon from the grease, and I'm about to add my chicken to that same skillet, keeping the grease in there. And that's essential to the flavor and also how the chicken is going to cook. I'm gonna let these noodles finish draining. I don't rinse my noodles off because I want to retain the starch that's on the noodles for when I add in the dressing or whatever. Okay, so I drained the bacon, and the grease that's left over from the bacon is still in the pan. I've added a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, just a little teaspoon of butter, and adding the chicken to that. So just remember to leave the grease from the bacon in the skillet. And these are some pretty big pieces of chicken. I might go in when they get done and shred it up a little bit. I don't know. I might not. I don't know. Because they are pretty chunky. Those are some nice sized pieces. But anyhow, I have an electric stove, so I want to go ahead and put that on medium. Let those cook. And I also got some broccoli over there cooking in that pot over there, because your girl has to have her broccoli. I eat broccoli or green beans with almost every meal. That's just, I don't know, I like green vegetables. But anyhow, I'm gonna let that cook right there. And I'm really winded, but that's just how it is. But anyhow, I got a question for you guys. At what point in your life do you accept the fact that it's okay to be selfish? And I'm not saying selfish as in what's mine is mine and what's yours is mine or any of that stuff. I'm talking about selfish in your feelings, selfish with your time, selfish in things that you will or will not do for people in your life, be it friends, co-workers, loved ones. When do you think is the right time to start being selfish? Or have you already started being selfish at a young age? For me, I didn't realize until a few years ago that it's okay to be selfish. It's okay to learn the word no and add it to your vocabulary and keep it there. It's there for a reason. And that there's nothing wrong with being selfish and valuing your time, especially when it comes to like work and friendships and relationships, like what you're willing to do and accept. Is it really benefiting you as a person? You know, whether it be your time, your talents, or even like your emotions, you know. What are you willing to sacrifice? What are you willing to be selfish and keep for yourself? So, I don't know. I was just thinking about that. Okay, so everything is almost done. As you can see, I did cut up the chicken a little bit more, make bite-sized pieces. And now it is time to add in the ranch dressing. You want to do this while it's cooking. And I might have to open up some more. No, I am not sponsored by Kraft. But I'm going to pour that in there. And move that around a little bit. You could turn your fire down at this point too. That smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I was thinking about whether or not I wanted to put the broccoli in here or just want to eat it on the side. But I think I want to eat it on the side. Pouring my noodles in there. And try your best to cook your noodles al dente if you can. You don't want them too mushy. I use penne noodles. You could use probably bow tie noodles if you want to, if you prefer. And I'm right-handed, guys. But I also have, I record on my phone, and it's literally plugged into the charger. So I'm holding it with my right hand so it won't pull out the wall. So yeah. So you want to mix that up. And yes, I am going to need a little bit more ranch dressing. And turn that down a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. Trying to open it one-handed. So, got some more ranch. This one right here is the Kroger brand. This one right here seems to me to be a little bit more salty for my taste, which is one of the reasons why I use Kraft. Alright, so sorry about that. Had to free up some storage in here. Mix all that in. Put as much ranch dressing as you want. I don't really have a preference as to how soupy or creamy or whatever. But mix in your bacon. And that is basically it. You want to go ahead and taste it to see if there's anything else that you might need at that point. You want to go ahead and add some cheese in there also and mix it up. Put as much as you want in there. And yeah. This container is almost empty, so I'm just going to go ahead and empty it out. Doesn't make any sense to just hang on to a half empty container. Mix that up real good. And voila! There you got some bacon ranch pasta, bacon chicken ranch pasta, whatever you want to call it. But that's essentially what it is. I'm gonna put a lid on it and let it simmer for a little bit. Let all of the flavors marinate. Then fix my plate, eat, clean up, and call it a day. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching this video. If you guys like cooking videos, I like to cook. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. If you already subscribed, thank you for viewing. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription down below. It's a red button down below. We are on a road to what, 300 now? Yeah, starting from scratch is so difficult, but trying to still be organic and do things the right way. Just got to work on my consistency, and you guys please be patient with me. All right, everything is done. It's been sitting here simmering for a good minute. Already added the cheese and topped it off with, my hand is like all in the way. Already added some cheese and topped it off with some whatever ranch was left. So just about the plate. You guys, I need some more plates and bowls. I've had these forever. And as I said, you know, people have their preference as to how much ranch dressing they want to put in it. I've eaten it. I think the first time I had it, it was like a lot of ranch in there. And I'm not opposed to that, but I put nearly half of the container in there, so, you know, don't really need all of that. Unless you just want it that way. Put my broccoli on the side, right there. And guys, I put a little bit of Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and nutmeg in my broccoli when I steamed it. But anyway, by thought, have a little taste, will you? Can't really go wrong with broccoli. Can't really go wrong with broccoli. Not bad. It's a perfect meal. Excuse me. It's a perfect meal if you want to meal prep, or if you got some kids to feed and you only have about 10-15 minutes to get dinner ready. That's the one to go through. To go with, I mean. But make me a nice glass of apple juice. Put it in my wine glass. Because that's what I do. Yeah, so on that note, hope you guys have a beautiful day and a beautiful night. And I know I've said goodbye already, but I'm saying goodbye again to you. So yeah, bye.